Kuzu Zambula, my name is Dorji and I'm a graduate of Muitatang Higher Secondary School. I started in 1999 and I was one of the captains then. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the past and the current management of the school administration and Tashi Delhi to all the graduates. It's a wonderful time to get together, a perfect reunion, and also reflect our past achievements and fun, all that kind of memories. During our times, of course, the reputation, I must say, was quite bad. People somehow called MHS as a dustbin school, and because all the students who were not academically doing well were supposed to be studying there, whatever, for whatever reasons they used to call that. But then the reputation, everything changed from our times. We had 3-4 of us, the whole national toppers in the country. And as a captain, I think I was quite strict, I must say, and some of my friends will still remember me, the fun and the interesting times, as well as some of the activities we took up. The one fun moment is during the farewell party. The management had arranged a basketball match for us, and I had never ever played basketball. But somehow, during the match, I stepped to one of my friend's shoes, and he said, "Captain, Anil Jada, Jora Mitube, you are such a bad, player." And then after that, his feedback, the last ball, it happened to fall on my hand. I got that chance, and somehow I threw it back and straight direct to the ring, and every one of the students cheered, and it was very funny. I felt so embarrassed but so happy. So that was the fun part. Then the other one was, as a captain, as I said earlier, it was kind of little strict. And one incident, for the boys, we had a strict instruction from the management that we couldn't keep a long hair, and we had to cut the hair. They were made to cut hair, keep a short hair, but one of the students was not happy, and he suddenly came with a sickle, and he tried hitting me, but somehow I managed to jump, and with my little skills, I managed to kick him, and then this is how we grabbed him, and then later everything was settled. So these two incidents, I think it's perfect to reflect in a wonderful golden jubilee. And now we are in the 21st century. I wish the current students, the future of our country, a beautiful Bhutan. You have to study well, do well, and anything you do in life doesn't have to be a great, but it has to come